Hello everyone, again this is Tejal from Sunmol Software and today we are going to learn how to add suppliers. So let's start. Just click on purchase module, then just open suppliers submodule. Just go on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can easily export your suppliers data through export to CSV and export to Excel options. To create new supplier, click on add supplier option. Just enter that supplier name. I'm just adding Ronnie. Then enter third party code. If that supplier is local supplier, then select as yes. If not, then keep it as it is. Select supplier type. I'm just selecting manufacturer. Then enter email against that supplier. Then select the currency of that supplier. Then enter billing address for that supplier. Then select the payment terms. Status set as active. If you want to fill any other optional details, then you can fill it and just save your entry. On save only, your data will be saved and page will be reloaded. You can see multiple tabs over here. You can add contacts, products, expenses, purchase orders, RFQs, purchase invoices, banks, payout rules, cards, documents, and audit log. This all details you can check out through this all tabs, and you can also add the details from it. Just save and close it. Your entry will be available on the index page and you can easily view, edit and delete that supplier entry through these actions. You can also perform purchase order, AP statement, add expense and make payments against this supplier through these actions. You can quick search your supplier from the filters and you can refresh the search results through this refresh button. That's it. This is how you can add suppliers. If you get any query to add the suppliers, then please connect us at contact us@sunmolsoftware.com. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.